Welcome back to Dan's Messy Garage. Today is day 27 working on Project Betty, the 76 Monarch. Today I'm planning to cover everything with plastic that's not going to get painted, expose the areas that will be painted, and then get some painter sealer on there and maybe even paint. Depends on how long the sealer takes to dry and how much Murphy leaves me alone. But I got to get to work. I have it taped off now. I have that exposed. The bottom of the door, rocker, everything's exposed. Of course, the whole front end's exposed. Got that exposed and this. And then on this side, I left that open. I still need to figure out what I'm going to do with the mirror. And I need to tape this edge along the door here. It's coming along good. Just can't believe how much time it takes to do this plastic and tape. But I'm getting there. Betty is all taped off, covered up, cleaned off, tack ragged. Got the paint mixed up. SPI 2K sealer. It's already in my gun. Car is ready. I got my paint suit on. And it's spray time. I'll set you up on a time lapse. I don't in other videos, I don't know how much I'm going to be able to show you. Depends on the spray because I don't want to wreck my phone. Here we go. All the sealer went on nicely. It's got a good even coat on there. It's actually like 2 back-to-back coats, which is equal to 1 good coat. Looking good. Just got to let that dry for an hour or so and check it. And if it's good, I can paint right over that. If it's got rough spots or trash in the paint, then I'll have to sand it. But I gotta wait, let this dust settle, and then check it later. Sealer seems good. It's got a little roughness to it. So what I'm gonna do is use Scotch Brite. Now there's a gray, what I have on hand. I have the gray and this maroon. That's fine. This is called ultra fine. The gray is step 4 for polish. It's for clear coat sanding. This maroon, step 3, that's primer sanding. This is kind of primer, but it's not rough. I'm going to use the ultra fine gray. I have a Velcro pad. Scotch Brite sticks well to those. Rub the car down with that, clean it off, paint it. Let's see if I can come up with more of a soft line between the gray and the white. I'm taking the tape and pulling it back a little to expose the gray and the white, if you can see that underneath there. But by leaving this like this, the paint won't give a hard edge. It'll kind of go under the tape and cover more of a soft edge. I think this works. I'm going to find out. I went all the way across the door where that tape line was. This should give it a softer line where the white goes in and touches the other white. And do the same thing in the back wherever I have tape on the white. Yeah, back here I just have plastic and it's not really adhered to the white. I think we're good. I think I can mix the paint up now and then clean all the dust off the car, paint it. I'm mixing up the paint. 4-1-1 mix. I'm using a quart of paint, 8 ounces of hardener, and 8 ounces reducer. Then what I'm going to do, I mixed up some SPI clear. I have 4 ounces of that. It's not quite 10% mix, but I'm going to add the clear right into the ready to spray single stage urethane. I'm hoping the clear helps a little bit with the shine and hope it goes on a little nicer. And after this is dry, I plan to clear coat the whole car, so this isn't going to hurt anything. It should only help. Mix this up, put it in my gun, and spray it. Okay, here we go, folks. Get the mirror first. Gotta hit the vent from different angles. The other mirror. about all you're gonna see because I don't want to wreck my phone. After a couple coats of white paint, it's well, I'm gonna call it done for now, or it's gonna be at least done for this day 27 video. On day 28, I'll be taking the tape and everything off, the plastic, and looking it over and see where I stand. So thank you for watching Dan's Messy Garage. The end of day 27, working on Project Betty, the 76 Monarch. Stay tuned for day 28. Bye.